All right. Good afternoon, class.
Good.
How was lunch?
Good.
Good. All right. Well, we are ready for our advanced math. You see some tools at your table. Raise your hand and tell me what you see. Yes. Dominoes. What do you have, Eli?
Board.
A whiteboard. What do you have, Miss Lucy?
Marker.
Marker. And what's the last tool that you have?
Paper.
What is that paper called?
A number line.
A number line. Can anybody tell me, what have we been working on these last couple weeks? Jackson?
On a number line.
We've been working with number lines. What else? Levi?
We've been working on counting by twos.
We counted by twos. Lucy?
Plus and equal sign.
We've learned about the plus sign and the...
Equal sign.
Oh my goodness, that's great. All right, hands down. Well, today for our warm-up, we have to get our bodies and minds and our hands all warmed up for math. And that is what we are going to do. So you notice, how many dominoes do you have?
3.
3. And you have 3 spaces on your whiteboard, don't you, that you can write on? Well, I'm going to show you what you're going to do with your whiteboard.
Write numbers.
I bet if you listen for directions, I will be able to tell you. So your whiteboard probably looks something like this, yes?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we have a domino. What is one of the numbers on my domino? What's the first one? 4. You're going to write that 4 on your board. What's that sign that we've learned about?
Plus.
Plus. You're not writing anything yet. Plus. What's the other number on my domino?
1.
1. And what's that other symbol?
Equal.
Equals. And this is called an addition.
Sentence.
Awesome. Give your guys selves a... Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So our addition sentence says 4
5
plus
5
1 equals
5.
Very good. You guys knew that because you guys are like super, super smart, right? But if you didn't know that, could you use your number line?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you didn't know that, you could look at your number line that you made the other day. And our first number was 4. And how many spaces did it tell me to jump?
1.
1. So I jumped to number
5.
5. That's super easy. Well, I showed you how to do it with one of my dominoes, but now you're going to make your number sentences using all 3. You have 3 spaces. You have 3 dominoes, which means you have 3 addition sentences. Do you think you can do that?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to set my handy dandy timer, and if you don't make it all the way through, that's okay. We'll just scoot it to the side and we'll go back, okay? All right, I'm going to set my timer. I want you to work hard. Not all of your dominoes are the same. So should I look at my friend's paper?
No.
Because does he or she have the same dominoes as me?
No.
No. When you're done, raise your hand, and I will come over and I will make sure that you are done. And then if you are, we will put our dominoes up and we will get ready to move on. All right? When I say go, when I say what?
Go.
When I say go, you will begin. Go. Keep the dominoes in the order that they were. Just move them off to the side. Then you know. Keep working. I'm setting my handy dandy timer. I want to see how we do. And raise your hand if you have a question. Some of you have big numbers on your dominoes and some of you might have small numbers. And that's okay. Remember to use your number line so you can jump from place to place if you need to. And remember what a plus sign looks like. Don't forget about the equal sign. Because if you forget the equal sign, then the last 2 numbers look like they go together. You'll have 3 numbers. You'll write 3 numbers because you have 3 places. I love your skills working with dominoes. Awesome, awesome. What's missing from this number sentence? I gotta have that equal sign, otherwise I don't know what's you're doing. That won't be good. All right. You have 4 plus something equals 6. Okay. So 4 plus 6. There we go. Oh, look at all those hands coming up. Erase. Erase. If you want to go back and get a tissue, you can get a tissue and erase your board. High five. All right, erase your board. Oh, you had some big numbers. There we go. Erase your board. You got about 50 seconds left. So go get a tissue and erase. It'll be quicker.
Do we erase the lines?
Oh, you can erase everything on that board. Erase everything on that board. Here, Jackson, why don't you give Levi your tissue, because then it'll erase quicker. Hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle. Like
Hustle and bustle.
10 more seconds.
Hustle and bustle. Oh my goodness. Glad you caught your cough.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
All right. Put your hands on your head so I know that you're ready. Hands on your head so I know you're ready. And bottoms are in your seat. Hands on your head and bottom in your seat. Hands on your head and bottom on your seat. Hands on your head and bottom on your... Thank you. All right. So, now, you guys did that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There's my timer. See, we even beat the timer. How awesome is that? Now, here's a cool activity. You get to make up another number sentence. But this time, it's going to be on your paper. And your paper, does it have dominoes?
Yes.
Sure does. What did we just use?
Dominoes.
Dominoes. So do you think you can handle this math paper?
Yeah.
You already know what an addition sentence is. How many numbers go in my addition sentence? 3. And what's the first sign that you'll write? Plus. And what's that other sign?
Equal.
Equal. Now, when it goes to the back, let me get this white one. It might be easier to read. When it goes to the back, one side of the dominoes doesn't have dots. It has numbers. But then one side has dots. Do you think you could handle that?
Yeah.
I think so. They're just trying to trick you. Then, after you guys are done with that, I brought your iPads. And you're going to use your iPads because there's this cool number app that has number lines. And it works on addition sentences. We're going to jump forwards. So we are going to jump forwards. And it tells you to jump forward to show 0 plus 6. And you have a frog down here. So what number does my frog start at, Wyatt?
0.
0. And how many spaces does it want me to jump, Jace?
6.
Let's do it. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice work. I got it right. All right. Now, my frog is at 1. How many places, Lucy, is it telling me to go? 9. That's what you're going to do. So let's do it together. Ready? Are you with me? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What number did I land on?
10.
10. And we got it right. So that's what you're going to do. It doesn't need to have sound on it, so I shouldn't hear like a bazillion frogs going all crazy. Because I forgot to tell you to bring your headphones, okay? All right. So here's how we're going to do this. We are going to collect dominoes. So quick 1, 2, 3. In here. 1, 2, 3. Pass it down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come here, Mr. Levi. Hustle, hustle. Thank you. Here we go, Miss Luce. Make sure your lids are on your markers. 4 at 3?
3.
Okay. It is important to always follow the directions. I told you guys not to bring pencils because I brought some for you today. Here we go. The first thing on your paper is your name. The first thing on your paper is your name. The first thing on your paper is your name, is your name. The first thing on your paper is your name. Very nice. My silly Sally pencils were hiding from me. Here we go. Yes, Miss Luce?
You said Sal.
Silly.
Mine is my little sister.
Well. Alright. Here's this one. Okay, so the first thing on your paper is your name. Alright. Everyone has their names on their papers. Raise them, your pencil.